Chapter 6, let's talk about your first deal. Let me show you what your first deal should look like so you have a specific criteria that you're looking for and don't waste time on deals that won't be good for you. Pay attention to this recipe and your first deal has a better chance of being a winner than a loser. Here's some criteria that if you follow this and evaluate your first deal based on the criteria I'm going to give you, I can almost ensure that you're going to make money. The more of these you can include on your first deal, the better chance you have of finding a deal that will make you, your investors, your family money, okay? A, the deal needs to be 16 units or more. I would prefer it to be 32 units. Okay, B, you need to love the property. You need to love the location when you first visit. You need to love the property when you first visit. You don't need to love it the second time or the third time or the fourth time. All you're doing is making sense of it. Now you're just trying to, oh, I love this about it. You need to love it as soon as you see it, okay? C, you need to be cash flow positive without improving. You should be 4 to 6% on your cash invested before you start talking about improving the property. Okay, D, you should use debt on your first deal. And you should not exceed 75% loan to value. Don't pay cash for your apartments. Do not pay cash for your apartments. Do not pay cash for your deal. I don't want the debt. Don't buy the deal then. If you don't want debt, don't play this game. Okay? Set aside $250 to $300 per unit per year for future rehab and renovation problems, situations. This will also be required by the lender, typically is required by the lender, but you should insist on at least that number being set aside even if the bank doesn't ask for to handle any unplanned property improvement.